Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel, A Fairy Tale Flavor. I'm Selena and today I'm showing y'all how to make some funnel cake bites. I know we all have that beloved favorite treat that we just have to get while visiting the fair. Well, my family's favorite go-to fair food is the funnel cake, and these funnel cake bites taste just as good, if not better, than what you find at your local fair. In a large mixing bowl, you're going to whisk together 1 egg and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Then whisk in 2 cups of milk. I'm using almond milk. Then you're going to whisk in 2 tablespoons of sugar. Then you're going to add in 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 2 cups of all-purpose flour. And you're going to gently stir together using a spatula until combined. Now the batter is going to have a little bit of lumps in it, so don't worry, that's perfectly fine. Now you're going to heat oil on medium-high heat in a deep skillet. I'm using vegetable oil. And once the oil is hot, I like to test it by simply just dropping a little bit of batter into the oil. Now the batter should begin to fry calmly instantly. If it smokes, sputters, or browns quickly, the oil is too hot. Once the oil is hot, I like to use an ice cream scoop to scoop out the batter and drop it into the oil. Now you want to work quickly and be careful to not overcrowd the batter. And you're going to fry them until they are golden brown on both sides. If you're new to my channel, please hit that red subscribe button. I post 2 new recipes every week. When they are done frying, remove them from the oil and place them on a paper towel. As you can see, one of the funnel cake bites is shaped as a heart, and I thought that was really cute. Then you're going to sprinkle some powdered sugar, and these funnel cake bites are ready. I hope you guys enjoyed these funnel cake bites. Usually around this time of year, there's a state fair going on and we love getting the funnel cakes. But with everything going on, they're not having one this year, so I wanted to share with y'all how to make your own funnel cakes at home. You guys can find the full recipe on my blog page at A Fairytale Flavor. I'll leave the link in the description below. And I'll see you guys for our next video. Thanks for watching. Bye! If you guys would like to see some more recipes, I'll have one right here and one right below. And please click below to subscribe. And thanks again for watching. Bye!